Whoa! Ah! Head came off. What? It looks funny. Welcome back. As you can see, Levi is extremely excited for today. Wait, let's tell them what it is. We have the new Mutation Station. From what, Levi? What is it from?
What the new Ninja Turtles series?
Okay, Machine. You want to do this? I think we should talk about it before we do, you know? Let's go!
From the studio that brought you Tmnt Mutant Mayhem.
All mutants must be destroyed.
Did you just say you want to exterminate us? I have to find my brothers. I have to save them.
Comes a new tale where the turtles must reunite to save mutant kind.
Even if we run into trouble, there's nothing we can't handle together. What is that thing supposed to be? Someone should go check it out. Not it. What? Oh.
These are awesome. We're excited. Levi's extremely excited. Yeah, yes you do. All right, wait. Let's talk about them really quick. This is for the new Ninja Turtle series coming out in Paramount. This is the new Mutation Station. It has 6 figures. You put them in the piece of bus van.
This was inside too.
Wait. We're gonna unbox it. Give it time, homie. Relax. Calm down. Let's talk about it. It includes 6 figures. All right. So each 6 figures, you put them inside,
Here.
and then the machine is gonna twist them and change them and mix them.
We moved them.
No, the bus does it itself. It mixes them all together, and it gives you a whole new mutant. Whole new mutant. Is that cool?
Yeah.
So this is pretty cool.
Now what I gonna make?
You don't know what's gonna make.
No, I gonna make my own.
Oh, you're gonna make your own?
Look, my own is with Superfly legs.
Superfly legs.
And Rocksteady.
Rocksteady's arms.
Yeah, and body and Bebop head.
Bebop's head. Yeah, that's funny. That'll be cool. So as you can see right here, you put them in, the machine twists them, connects them, and it gives you a whole new mutant.
Yeah.
All right. And we also have these cool twist and mutate figures. So it has, this one has 2-in-1 Raphael and Stealth Cycle, and this one has 2-in-1 Leonardo to Act 3.
Ooh.
Cool. All right, guys. So we're gonna start off with these 2, and then we're gonna leave the cool bus, the mutation bus, at the end.
Yeah, I'm gonna open this one first.
You gonna open up Leo?
Yeah, how you open this?
Oh, let's just pull it.
Oh!
Ooh.
Oh man. Another little bit of this.
Wait, has some springs in the back.
Oh. Action scene.
Cowabunga, dude! Are you excited for the new series?
Yeah.
I know, but you love the movie. I like the movie.
Okay, listen.
So you could take these off. So we would use actually scissors, but we're not using scissors.
Oh my god!
You get the first part out. So have some springs back here.
I got it.
Let's see, is it coming out? It's almost out. Come on, Leo.
Come on, Leo, come on.
It's nice and clean.
No.
What?
Wait for the peas.
Wait for the keys.
I didn't put the peas in the back. This is really hard.
You need help?
Yes.
All right, let me help you out here, buddy.
I left the peas!
Okay, what is this piece about?
You put it in the back.
Does it go in here?
Yeah.
Maybe we should read the manual. On snap shell. Okay.
Unshut shell.
Oh, there it goes. I think that's just it. And that's it.
Ooh.
There he is.
Dad.
Twist it.
Dad, look.
Guess what?
What?
You can actually put a Leo on top. Where's that Leo that you had around here? All right, did you find the Leo?
Yes!
All right, let's see. All right, put him on there.
No, I don't know.
You don't know how to do it? Let's see. This is from another
Movie.
Yeah, this is from the same movie, but this is from another movie. There he is.
Oh my gosh! This is the perfect Leo.
Why? Because he has a helmet? Yeah.
Leo.
But yeah.
I think I know how to do Raphael now. Raphael don't have a piece.
Doesn't have a piece like Leo.
No. And they're all different, right? Not again! I gotta play with it again. No. They have your first formers back.
Look at this. Rappy. That's cool.
Oh yeah.
So this one, you gotta.
I know. I
You
think I
know how to
know.
do it?
Yeah. What the? Okay.
There it goes. You twist it. Oh, that's cool.
Well, press it down.
You press it down, yeah.
Well, you do. Look. Like it's
Little
always like
Transformers.
Leo. Look. It did like.
He is
It did it
a
backwards. Rafi.
stealth cycle. This is
Oh, that's cool.
That is cool. Look at the exhaust in the back.
This one, Leo is like it's like in the
This one's like futuristic.
like in the dirt, like in the trash.
Yeah,
Leo.
it's like a tricycle.
Yeah, like
Boom, boom, boom. Yep.
it's like in the trash.
A little suspension in the back. That's cool. Goodness. All right, let's set these to the side,
Okay.
and we're continuing unboxing.
The big one.
The big
The
one.
big one.
All right, put these over here. Boxes over here. And
Oh man, I took that. I'm so excited.
so excited. Here it is, guys. Here is the mutation station.
Oh, now it's talking to me this time.
You need help? Okay. All right.
Oh man, this is. Oh, there's Bebop Rocksteady.
Bebop and Rocksteady.
And there's the rest.
Here's the rest.
Okay, are they ready? Oh man.
Things are flying out of here.
Oh, this is so heavy. Get the box out. Oh, just break apart. Oh my
Put
gosh.
this to the side.
Oh my gosh. A bunch of them are doing that.
Alright, let's read our
Oh,
instructions because last time we were a little lost. So,
oh, look at this.
I believe these are the wheels. We'll pop it in.
Yeah.
I believe they just pop in.
Okay, I open these. Can we open these?
Pretty heavy.
Oh yeah.
Not like your other one.
No.
Just throw it.
I did it.
Hit it. Wait. See? You're breaking the bus already.
Wait a minute. Oh, you put them too.
Put them in there. Okay.
Look,
Figure this out. Let's do the instructions.
look.
Pizza time! Cowabunga, dude! I'm gonna put that one out.
I can't do. Oh man. Oh my gosh!
No, it's not as easy as I thought placing them inside the machine
Yeah.
to get them ready. Alright, so you have to assemble in the back. It takes time to set up, guys. It's not as easy as I thought.
No.
Because you're prepping the mutation station. They could have done this a little bit easier,
Oh, that.
kids.
What happened? What happened to the new?
Decapitated leatherhead.
Oh no! Look! Look at Mikey's.
Put this on top.
Yeah, how you make the new one?
Put it out. So let's see what's next.
Okay.
Alright.
Ready?
Whoa! His head came off. What? Look at that. He got Superfly's legs. Look at that. It looks funny. Let's see. Oh!
Yes!
There he is. All right, wait. Let's leave him there. Keep building mutants. That's
That's my turn.
What? No legs. The legs fell.
Put the legs back.
There he goes. Dun, 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 dun.
Okay,
What
now-
a squad.
Now, someone else is coming. We make my mutant.
Ah!
Now it's your turn.
That's my turn.
Oh my gosh, this is so fun.
Yeah, Leatherhead's body.
Okay.
Leo's legs.
Okay.
What happened? Did it work? It all collapsed. Everything fell.
On it?
Here it is.
Oh man, look at that. Okay.
Dun, dun, dun. Here's the squad. Okay, I think he's looking. All right, that is all for today, guys. We had a blast unboxing these toys, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, which one were your favorite? Oh, the Mutation Station. Yeah, these were cool too. So don't forget to subscribe and like so you can catch all our latest videos of Levi's.
Hot Wheel.
Bye, guys.
Bye.